Hello everyone and welcome back to Imani.Travel. Today we're going to learn how to pack for 6 months using only a small backpack. Now when packing your bag, one of the first steps that you're going to want to do is do a bit of research on your destination to figure out what type of climate do you need to prepare for and what type of activities that you're going to do. Pro traveling tip is to pack light and smart. I only pack for 1 week at a time. That means that even if I'm leaving for 3 months or if I'm leaving for 2 weeks, I pack for 1 week. And every 10 days or so, I go back to the laundromat and I wash all my clothes. Before going any further, support this page by subscribing and liking this video. First, get your packing checklist from the link in bio or in the Ultimate Travel Guide. And then, grab your backpack and start packing. Step will be to go grab all of the important items that you brought with you, and you're gonna have to fold it in a strategic way to save as much space as possible. For example, this pair of shorts, I'm going to roll it to make sure that it's super compressed and uses less space to get inside of my backpack. Do the same thing with all of the rest of your equipment, such as your t-shirt that you're simply gonna fold up and roll. We're then going to follow the same procedure for all our t-shirts and our shorts. Don't forget your socks. And your underwear. My recommendation to you is that if you have pairs of jeans, you simply wear them when going to the airport instead of have them in your bag since they occupy more space. I highly recommend to bring a small backpack that you can use during day trips and that is also light enough so you can fold easily and put inside of your bag. Your towel, instead of opting for your usual big towel that takes a lot of space, you're going to want to opt in for a smaller, more compact sized travel towel. Other items to bring include a flashlight, a belt, and a hat. Use a money belt such as this one to pack all your money and your passport. This is ideal because it's hard to reach for others and very accessible to you. Other additional items I'm going to use to add to my bag will be a bathing suit, some sandals, running shoes, my toiletries. Your toiletries should consist of all the items that you need to take care of yourself in travel-sized items. I bring stuff like a travel-sized razor that uses battery. I'm also going to bring some face cream, body lotion, toothbrush, a travel-sized shampoo and conditioner. I'm going to include a nail clipper, some soap, some sunscreen, dental floss, some gastrolite in case I get a bad case of gastro. And just this is enough for the next few days. Deodorant, toothpaste, bar of soap, and a water bottle. Don't forget to grab your first aid kit and a plastic rain poncho for emergencies. Now that we have everything set into place, it's time to wrap this up and put it inside our backpack. Let me show you how all of this can fit inside a tiny bag. Now when I get to a certain level, I'm going to take my shoes that I've selected because they can fold up and liberate more space. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put them on the side in a strategic way that's going to allow to the shoes to fit more things and items in the middle. This method is one way of packing your bag, but there is numerous other ways that you could pack. You are now ready to leave on your backpack trip, and thank you for watching.